Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you are all doing well and trading well in the market, not making too much losses and learning from this content what we are discussing on this channel. So if you are new to this channel, do watch out our previous video. In our previous video, we have discussed in detail lot about technical indicator, and we are already in a series of technical indicators. So we are discussing each and everything and all those indicators that are used widely for trading and day trading in the stock market. If you are new to this channel, do watch out those videos. If you are beginner or you want to learn trading or to be a technical analyst, please do watch. It is highly recommended that must watch those videos that we have discussed in detail about technical indicator. So today what we are going to do, as I told you earlier also, max one indicator or max two indicators must be used on your price chart, not more than that. So today what we are going to do, we are going to create a simple trading strategy with the help of two different averages, and how we are going to trade it, how you can trade it, and it has a good accuracy, good profit ratio as well. It has a good accuracy ratio. So what we are going to do, as you can see that I am on trading view and using a Nifty 50 script. Like I will show you that this is Nifty 50 script that I am using. So what we are going to do, how we are going to use this, and how we are going to trade with the help of that strategy that we are going to discuss. Each and everything we are going to discuss in detail in this video. So do watch out video till last. So it is going to be more informative video. So what you have to do, just go to indicators on trading view and just click indicators, and you can just search here in technicals MA, moving average. So once you're going to write down moving average, so you can just click that twice because we need two different moving average. And what else you can do, if you want to save this in your favorite indicator, you can just click here on this star and it will save in your favorite. So next time you don't have to write down MA, you can directly click from here also, it will get plotted in your price chart. So now as you can see that we have two different moving average, and they're inbuilt by default, they are of 9 SMA, simple moving average. So what we are going to do, just go to settings of this, or the first moving average, and just go to inputs, just write 20. So we will be requiring 120 simple moving average. Just go to styles, because the line is too thin and of same blue color. So we are going to change color to red, and we are just going to increase width of this line. Now you can see it is more visible. So just so that it can be visible to you, I'm just increasing its width. So you can just click OK. Again we are going to go to another moving average and just go to settings. Just go to inputs. Just instead of 9 we'll be requiring 8 MA, 8 simple moving average. Just go to styles, and you should also increase its width so that it can be more visible, and after that just click OK. So now we are ready to go. Else what you can do, you can use one more thing with this. You can just click volume. You can just write volume here, and you can just click volume as well. So now as you can see, this below is the volume bar that you are able to see, and this volume signifies that maximum people are selling because the volume is high, on high note. So whatever trading has taken place in this 5-minute bar, so this is the volume of that 5-minute. So now how we are going to use this strategy for trading, for day trading, and how we can generate a consistent return on our capital. So it is a good accuracy ratio if you trade in a right manner. So how we are going to use it? So now what we are going to do, whenever this short-term moving average, this blue line is a short-term moving average and the red line is a long-term moving average. So whenever the blue line crosses from below this red line, long-term moving average, so this seems to be a bullish crossover, means bulls are in charge. People are ready to take price more higher whenever this type of crossover happens. So whenever this type of crossover happens, you can look for long entry. Only look for entry once the crossover happens. Don't hope that this crossover will happen and you jump into the trade before signal appears. Never do such type of mistake in your trading career. Until unless this blue line crosses this red line, do not take trade. Once the blue line have crossed this red line, only then try to take entry, and your stop loss is going to be one tick below this blue line. Okay, so again, whenever the blue line crosses this red line from top, you can look for a short entry, and your stop loss is just going to be one tick above this blue line. So how this is where you can use. So whenever there is a bullish crossover, blue line crosses from downwards this red line, you can look for a long entry. And whenever this crosses from top to down, you can look for a short entry. This is a bearish crossover. So if you are going to trade, like you can see that if you have taken trade here and you have just capped your stop loss one tick above this blue line, short term moving average, so your risk will be this bar, and see how much profit you are going to make. So always trade whenever the crossover happens. Don't assume, don't hope that crossover will happen and you jump before signal appear. This is the biggest mistake beginner trader make. They jump before they get a signal, and that's how they make losses. So always try to see once the crossover happens, just try to take entry and just keep your stop loss one tick below this bar. So if your stop loss get hit also, you only lose one bar. But whenever you win maximum times. Like if you have entered here, your stop loss will be one tick below and you are going to make a huge profit. So just try to take 25 to 30 trade. After that, if you see it is profitable, just load down your trade sample. From then take 15 trade, and after that see how much time it is going to be profitable. So this is the simplest, one of the simplest trading strategy that I am also using right now. It is the most simplest and it makes you a huge profit on your capital, return on your capital. Because what averages do, averages just clear noise. There is no volatility in the average. Like price due to volatility moves up and down due to volatility, due to buying and selling. But the average remain constant. Whenever this blue line crosses this red line, whenever short-term moving average crosses long-term moving average, this is a bearish crossover, that more buyers are entering in the market to move price down. So just look for a short entry. Never look for a long entry whenever this blue line is under this red line. Never look for a long entry. And whenever the blue line is over red line, never look for a short entry until unless this blue line crosses red line. So this is how you can use simple moving average. One is 20 simple moving average and another is 8 simple moving average. Because 8 simple moving average is also used to see momentum. Until unless the price is below 8 SMA, you can hold that trade, and once the price crosses above 8 SMA, you can just exit and you can book your profit. Until unless this blue line is holding price, you can be in trade, and once the price crosses below this moving average, you can just exit. So this is how you can trade. Along with that, you can also see volumes. Whenever it crosses this blue line, you can see the volume is on the increasing side. You can see there's a huge volume in these candles as compared to the previous bearish candle. Like here the volume was low, so less people were ready to sell. Now you can see that the volume is increasing and price is moving high, that more people are interested in buying on at upper cost. So this will lead price higher and higher. So you can trade with the help of these two simple moving average, and you can use this trading strategy for your day trading, and just try to take 25 to 30 trade, and after that you can just load down your trading sample, and then you can see how profitable this strategy is going to be. and after that you can optimize it by increasing, you can just optimize it. You can use volume along with this, showing, you can use volume also along with this strategy. So I hope you like the content. Do watch out till last. Thank you.